Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I have my Craftsman V20 edger here. I was sent these blades by this company and they asked me to do an installation video. Sure, why not? Now let's see how good these blades are. Let's see if they're going to be any good. Two blades, relatively decent thickness. I'm going to take this blade off. I'm going to see how thick it is compared to the old one. Am I doing that? I don't know. Looks like a 16. Let's see. Nope. Is it an SAE? The nut that's holding mine on, 9/16 socket. There we go. Counterclockwise, untighten it. Loosen it up. Don't forget what order you're putting these things in. There. There. This thing will come right out. The new blade. It's about the same thickness. Yeah. That'll do just fine. And don't need to replace them, but I'm going to anyway. Remember this side out. Yeah, let's clean that up. There we go. There. There. Oops. That was dumb. Tighten it up real good. You sure don't need this thing flying off. Okay. There you go. Installed. Done. Now, let's go test this out. Well, I'm using a 9 amp hour battery. Only one I can grab a hold of real quick. This is way too big for this thing. I usually use a 2 amp hour battery. They're a lot smaller and a lot easier to handle. But for this, let's do this. No issues so far. All right, there you go. These things are a good alternative to the name brand blades, and they work. Now, I don't know how long they'll last, but it doesn't seem any worse than the ones that come with this thing. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.